Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public drive link. First, navigate to the file or folder you wish to share within your cloud storage. Right-click on the item to reveal a context menu. Look for the Share option, which is usually represented by an icon of a person with a plus sign or a chain link. Clicking this will open the sharing settings. Once the sharing dialog appears, you'll see the current access level, which is often restricted by default. Click on this setting to change it. Select the option that says anyone with the link to make your file publicly accessible. You can then decide if people can only view, comment, or edit the content, depending on your needs. After setting the access to anyone with the link, a unique URL will be generated for your file. There will be a copy link button. Click this to save the URL to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into an email, a chat message, or embed it on a website. Anyone who receives this link can access your shared content. Before sharing any link publicly, always double-check the content to ensure it's appropriate for a wide audience. Remember that once a link is public, it can be shared further by others. For sensitive information, consider if a public link is truly the best option, or if a more restricted sharing method would be safer. Always share responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.